मेरे मध्य क्षेत्र पंचमहाल लोकसभा के गोधरा रेलवे स्टेशन एक बड़ा जंक्शन है जो एक तरफ बड़ौदा होकर महाराष्ट्र को जोड़ता है और दूसरी तरफ मध्य प्रदेश से आगे दिल्ली को जोड़ता है। मेरे क्षेत्र लुनावाड़ा शहर में रेलवे स्टेशन का विकास करने के लिए मंत्री जी को आग्रह करता हूं। यह स्टेशन और रेलवे लाइन के विकास से गोधरा लुनावाड़ा और आगे मोड़ासा होकर शामला जी को राजस्थान, उदयपुर और जयपुर से जुड़ सकेंगे। रेलवे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से एक नया लाभ मिलेगा। आपसे नम्रता पूर्वक आग्रह करता हूं कि एक विषय में आगे की कार्यवाही के लिए निर्देश करें। धन्यवाद।
माननीय सदस्य श्री हमदुल्लाह सईद जी।
Madam, for giving me an opportunity to speak, I would like to draw the attention of the government to the critical situation concerning 7 Indian seafarers aboard Panama flag vessel MV Bitu River, which was attacked by armed pirates off the coast of Sao Tome and Principe on 18th of March 2025. Among those affected is young Asif Ali from Minicoy Island, Lakshadweep, and the family remains without any information about his safety or whereabouts. These 7 Indian nationals who were simply pursuing their livelihood at sea to support their families back home now face grave danger in foreign waters. It is deeply concerning that these citizens remain unaccounted for more than 2 weeks after the attack. The situation has created immense distress for the family, particularly for the concerned families like the parents of Mr. Asif Ali from my constituency, who are desperate for any news about their son. The lack of communication and visible action from our authorities has only compounded their suffering. I urge the government to take immediate steps to resolve this humanitarian crisis. Our diplomatic missions should be activated without any delay to establish contact with the affected seafarers and coordinate their safe return. I urge the government that robust mechanism must be implemented to better protect Indian seafarers working in high-risk zone. I request the government to take specific measures, including establishing a special task force to monitor such cases and provide regular updates to the anxious families. The safety and well-being of our citizens abroad must be treated as a priority. I humbly request the government, especially the External Affairs Ministry, to act promptly and to ensure these 7 Indians who are brought back home safely at the earliest. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. I am privileged and take pride in introducing the very beginning of Hindu temple architecture in historic sites of Ahivale, Badami, Pattarkal, referred as a cradle Hindu temple architecture. Temples complex of Ahivale, dating back to the 4th century AD, is the oldest known Hindu temples in the world, and also known as the laboratory of Hindu temple architecture. The greatest 130 temples of Ahivale in single square kilometer was considered the primary and secondary schooling in temple architecture. Madam, the world famous Badami cave temples of 6th century took 12 years to carve out from single rock cut. The worthy of coronation arena of Pulkesi II of the glorious Chalukya Empire, which ruled almost all Peninsula India. The group of monuments at Pattarkal in Karnataka was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. However, Badami's extraordinary temple complex, parallel to none in rock-cut temple architecture, deserves to have been included in the UNESCO list long back. Therefore,
धन्यवाद माननीय सदस्य।
I have finished. Through you, I would like to bring this important matter to the notice of Honorable Union Minister of Culture and
माननीय सदस्य श्री अजेंद्र सिंह जी।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभापति महोदया जी। मैं परम पूज्य स्वामी ब्रह्मानंद जी की तपोभूमि हमीरपुर महोबा तिंदवारी की ओर आकर्षित कराना चाहता हूं। कि बढ़ती महंगाई के कारण किसानों की खाद बीज के समय काफ़ी लंबी लाइनें लगी रहती हैं और बुंदेलखंड में किसानों की बुवाई के समय 8-8 दिन किसानों को खाद की उपलब्ध नहीं हो पाता है और जब फसल आती है तो ये मूंगफली की खरीद पर किसानों से अवैध 1500 से 1700 रुपए पर किसान से एक कमीशन के तौर पर लिया गया है, तब उस किसान की मूंगफली एमएसपी पर तौली गई है। और आज वर्तमान में के समय गेहूं की फसल आ चुकी है, तो आज मूंगफली की तरह आज भी यही व्यवहार किसानों के साथ हो रहा है और उनसे अनावश्यक कमीशन के तौर पर और सिफारिशों की तौर पर उनका गेहूं की तौल कराई जा रही है। तो मेरी आपसे विनती है कि हमारे बुंदेलखंड के किसानों को बचा लिया जाए इस अनावश्यक
धन्यवाद
कमीशन पर।
माननीय सदस्य श्री सेलेंग संगमा जी।
It's not working. Yeah. Thank you, Madam Chairperson. I feel really deeply denial of the central fact that very reluctant by the government and the false vision and the future. Perhaps maybe soft power referendum embrace benevolence. I'm worried about the students polarizing. It's not just that they express their dangerous sense, but it might add to the antisocial, Madam Chairperson. Now we could see the NEHU, the oldest university in the Northeast, the oldest centralist university. It's been systematically attacked. The Northeast has been systematically attacked. Even the budget, when you look at, it's very, very low. 99.9%, almost zeroing, Madam Chairperson. Now, lots of students, they have gone for the hunger strike, and some of them has been hospitalized.